Good morning from Aruba. Getting this breakfast in. Getting a little bit of just egg going. And some Beyond Meat crumbles before I get my day going. Yeah. Stir that up a little bit. And we can't forget the seasonings. We don't have much, but let's see here. And you don't need much because the Beyond has some seasoning to it. But anyway, my breakfast. The nice Airbnb before I get out and about. The Fisherman's Hut, a non-vegan spot that came with the bomb vegan options, as you can see right here. I tried both, but this curry chicken cauliflower was everything. I mean, flavor, the curry flavor, your Indian flavor, your island flavor, all wrapped up in one. This is how you step up your vegan options at a non-vegan place, people. This is how you do it.
Oh, they were delicious.
Good, very good. Firm but tender.
It's good. Very good. Good, huh? Good.
The place that all the other vegan foodies told me to check out, the manja. Is it worth the hype? Well, let me just tell you, I needed about 4 of those pieces of bread. That truffle sauce, awesome. Look at this smoked tofu vegan barbecue platter. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Matter of fact, I was so anxious I couldn't even get the right camera angle. On the walk back to the car from the beach, we have Pizza Bob's. They have a few offerings of the vegan flair. This pizza is their top pizza, and it was really good. I liked it a lot. I like it a lot. And their burger. Check out the char on that, baby. Yeah, nice. If exotic drinks and chill vibes is your jam, this is your spot. They got the prescription here, for real. The Apotheke Speakeasy, a must check out when you go to Aruba.
Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando gays. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy safe. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando gays. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy safe. Cuando necesitas mula yo sé que te pones coqueta. Porque no busco trabajo, al menos vendiendo paletas. Gozo la vida, trabajo, lo tuyo no te comprometas. Me gustan independientes, también que tengan sus metas. Todo el mundo busca dinero, también busca la fama. Como Jim Carrey nos dijo, la plata y la fama no hacen mañana. Por eso veo mis reglas y trato de tener una vida sana. La envidia no enferma, también nos saca la cana. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la